If your vehicle is equipped with smartphone integration, you can use Android Auto mobile phone functions with the Android operating system via the multimedia system. You can control this by means of the control elements integrated in the vehicle. The first activation of Android Auto on the multimedia system must be carried out when the vehicle is stationary for safety reasons. Before the connection can be activated, the following conditions must be met. The current Android Auto app must be installed on the mobile phone. The mobile phone must be connected to the multimedia system via a suitable USB cable, or a wireless connection must be supported. A message with the data protection provisions appears when the application is first connected. Confirm this with Accept and Start to activate the connection successfully. If your mobile phone and the multimedia system support a wireless connection, you can proceed as follows to use Android Auto. Make sure that Bluetooth is activated on your device and that your device is visible to others. Now, navigate to the telephone menu using the Home button. Continue via Settings to the Device Manager and then to Connect New Device. Confirm that the code shown matches in the multimedia system and the mobile phone. Then select Start Android Auto. Then confirm the data protection provisions via Accept and Start. To exit Android Auto, with or without a cable connection, press the Home button. To end Android Auto, select the Android Auto symbol next to the device name of the mobile phone in the Device Manager.